Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to redeem Xbox Game Pass code on PC. Firstly, open the Windows plus S and type the Xbox app, then reopen it. If you don't have it installed, go to the Microsoft Store and download the Xbox app. Click on your username in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account section, find the Redeem a Code option. Click Redeem and enter your 25-character Xbox Game Pass code. Click Next to confirm and activate your subscription. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before. If the app isn't working, go to redeem.microsoft.com and enter your code. Some codes are region locked, so ensure you're redeeming in the correct region. Let me know if you need more help. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.